If you answer to a boss who is very strict, I would suggest not buying one of these, because then, regardless of what the weather, he'll ask you to come to office. You join us inside new MG Majesta. We have an expert driver here who has a lot of off-road experience. There we have it. That's 38, 40, 50. That was a rapid slowdown from 60 kilometers an hour on a surface that has not optimal traction. Next, water
So
wheel.
now we are engaging the central drift and low wheel,
Okay.
the rear and the front drift.
Kevin, what is one pro tip you would give us for water wading?
Don't stop in the middle, don't leave the acceleration.
Yeah.
So that's a surprise that we had planted here.
Now we're in an SUV that weighs several tons and it handles also fairly well. I don't know how much work Kevin is having to do right now, but for me, things are exciting in the passenger seat. The camera person also not very uncomfortable. And yes, if somebody told me this car could do it, I wouldn't have believed it, but now I have to.
So did you feel anything here just before we start climbing?
No, not really. What do I say? I think I missed
So
it.
there were chicken pens over there,
Okay.
but because of the suspension, you barely can feel it.
We continue to be in 4 low and we reach here for the proper articulation, which is a good test of suspension and what else?
Suspension travel, the axle, and you can see how much you'll come to know once we are down,
All right, all right.
how much we're leaning in.
So this is negative because the driver is lower,
Yes.
and now we're going to go positive. That means the driver is going to be higher.
See how you can barely feel the bounce.
Yeah,
It's very smooth actually. When it goes down,
it's quite smooth. I mean,
it controls it. Yeah.
wasn't much of a jolt.
Yeah.
More of, wafted into place like that. It's nice. This is how many degrees?
This is 35.
35. And this is a test of center of gravity to check if the car will topple or not.
Yes.
And
How
only
low the central of gravity is.
Okay. I don't know if you can tell. Use that as a reference, and that's how inclined we are. At
So
least I
this
am.
camera is not just for the parking.
Uh-huh.
So you can see the line. So you can follow the line through this while doing this.
Nice. If you live in Gurgaon and you run into flooded roads and all, you can use this camera and get out of it. That's essentially what it's made for. Or you can just use the lines to park at the mall. That is also possible. How do you know when it starts to topple? Because I'm feeling it's very close to toppling. Initial impressions is very impressed with the capability of the Majesta. But if you answer to a boss who is very strict, I would suggest not buying one of these. Because then, regardless of what the weather, he'll ask you to come to office. Diff off, 4 high.
4-wheel high and mud mode.
Mud mode, right. We're getting into a bit of mud and slush. Kevin, are you on throttle or will the car be pulling through on its own?
No, I'm on throttle.
Is this a good way to learn drifting, Kevin?
Not really.